What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be trying to get the roof sanded down and hopefully wrapped all in this video. I'm going to try my absolute hardest. A quick rundown on kind of what's going on. As you can see, all this paint has chipped off. The previous owner did a very crappy paint job, which is the reason why the entire car had to be bodyworked. When I lifted up the wrap off of here, it peeled everything, so I started kind of shaving everything down with a blade. Got as far as I can, so now we do just have some little patches that kind of need to be sanded out and everything, and then hopefully get her wrapped. In this video, we are going to be doing a carbon fiber roof wrap. Never done it on this car before. I think it'll look really cool. So if you guys are new to this channel and you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'm trying really hard to hit 4,000 subscribers before the end of the month. I think I'm going to try daily vlogging, guys, just so we can get up our subscriber count. Like I said, I'm really going to work really hard to try to get 4K by the end of the year, which is very soon. But stay tuned, guys. A lot of good stuff to come. And enough talking, let's jump straight into it. This whole video is going to be a time lapse just so I can really focus on getting everything done, because it's going to be a lot of sanding. So without further ado, guys, let's just get into it. Done. It's very smooth. I hit it all the way to 1000 grit. I can tell you right now, this is going to be redone. As of right now, it is very smooth, but I do have small parts of metal exposed, and not only that, but you can just see it's just multicolored, you know, from factory filler, my filler, metal, so on and so forth. And so what I am going to eventually do is, so the wrap that I ordered is actually, it was before I even wrapped his car and made a decision to even wrap my car, but I already ordered carbon fiber wrap. It's not a super good brand, I guess you can say. So I already have plans to order 3M wrap. If this wrap for some reason just sucks bad and I can't even get it wrapped, then we'll move on to the part that I'm about to tell you guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it for now, enjoy it for a bit, most likely finish off the whole car and everything, and then what I'm going to eventually do is come back in, remove that wrap, put filler primer down just to even out the surface that much more, cover all the rust spots and everything, give it another nice sanding, and then rewrap it in 3M carbon fiber. So that is the game plan. But I mean, it is very smooth, don't get me wrong, very smooth. So yes sirree bottom. That does not even sound good. I don't know, like, that looks so loose. It just seems so flimsy. I don't know, this car is a mystery. she is. Here. So we get an idea of how the carbon is going to look, but let me kind of show you some stuff that the carbon, or that this wrap in particular, came with. So I don't know if you guys, yeah, you can sort of see it. There's a big scratch that's not even from me, that came from it. There's another one, you can see that right there. And then there's, I think, yeah, there's another one here, and right here. And the other thing that this wrap, it's very, very hard to work with. So like I said, there are bubbles. I did try to pop them the best that I can and let the air, but you just, this is what you pay for is what you get, is what I'm going to start saying, because it's true. I've always worked with cheap material, and after working with 3M, good stuff, it's night and day difference completely. Yeah, guys, so that's actually, that's what's wrong with the wrap. And two, like I said, I want to primer the entire roof. We might actually do that when his car is gone and before I wrap this, just to prevent any overspray or anything on the wrap. But that's what's wrong with the wrap itself. Two, I want a primer and block so the roof is perfect, because right in this area I do see some very, very mild imperfections. Let me see if you can see those little ripples. I don't know how well it picks up on camera. There is some small imperfections. Nothing major. That's like the biggest one, I think. So I do want to give the roof a nice prime, block it, make sure everything's good. And then also, because I just finished body working, I thought I blew all the dust. All of this is from in here. When I was using the heat gun, it blew it out. I thought I got it, and due to that, some of this is not even sticking. And here, it doesn't want to stick either, the best. So we're gonna redo it, but it's okay. It's a for now thing. Was it a waste of time? Probably. But it is what it is, and we're gonna enjoy it for a little bit. Like I said, probably his car is gonna be here for maybe a couple of more weeks, and hopefully not that long, but at most a couple weeks. And when that's done and it's time to actually wrap mine, is when we'll take this off, get it primed, and then we'll start wrapping the whole car. So that way, by the time we get to this, the prime should be, for the most part, fully cured, able to be wrapped. And then we'll give it a nice wet sand and make it very, very smooth. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. 4,000 subscribers. I'm really going to start trying to do daily vlogs. That's the reason why I kind of rushed it coming out, or not rushed the wrap job, but rushed coming out here and getting all of this sanded and doing it, because I didn't really care too much. But I really want to hit 4K, so I'm gonna try to start knocking out as much content as possible. But anyways, guys, I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, guys, as always, peace out.